welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this, my name is Cheryl and I'm starting my YouTube channel to create all the inspiring makeup tutorials, and I do post on the fashion related stuff like how to style series. I have a playlist linked down below, you guys can check it out later on. So today I'm gonna show you what is my everyday makeup routine. To me, I like fresh skin, natural glow, and very light makeup, so it's kind of like no makeup look. For my everyday, I like to keep it simple, quick and easy. I try to keep my products as less as possible. I do add a little bit of products to create that glow because recently I have just found out this amazing product which you guys probably know if you see my previous video, which is the Gigi inspired makeup tutorial. If you check out that video, it's so gorgeous and I'm using it on my skin right now. Look how natural it is. It doesn't look like you have products on your skin, but your skin just glow and brighten by itself. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to click bell notification so you get notified anytime when I post a new video every Wednesday and Friday. So you guys can always check out my channel on Wednesday and Friday. Also, this is my Instagram. I do post on a daily basis. Let's connect, be friends with you girl. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to prep my lip. I am gonna be using this from Fresh. Next, I'm gonna prep my skin. Today I'm just gonna go straight to my Pixi oil. My skin can get a little bit dry with the facial oil. It helps me with the makeup, at the same time it makes my skin glow underneath. And next I'm gonna be using my mini rose facial roller just to give a little bit of the massage onto my skin. I'm gonna go straight to my sunblock. In my everyday makeup, I definitely have to wear sunblock. It is so important. Even if you're inside in the indoor, there's a UV rays and everything, so you definitely need to wear a sunblock, which is so essential for our skin. And this is one of the products that I really like it. This is from Kiehl. I like the sunscreen because it doesn't create any greasy on the skin. I don't like when we put on the sunscreen and then you feel like very sticky, greasy on the skin. So I found this one that I've been using for years. And the thing I like about the sunscreen is that apparently when I put it on my skin, it just kind of freshen up my face. This is so natural. It doesn't have any colors, but yet it kind of complements my skin well. For the foundations, you guys know that my absolute favorite for all natural kind of foundations, I always go for this Dior Backstage Face and Body foundations. Kind of brightens up your face, correct your skin color, just make it look really even and nice. And the fact that it is so light, when you're wearing it, you actually don't feel like you're wearing it. So for an everyday makeup, I don't like it to be heavy makeup. I like it to be very natural and very easy. So this is something I definitely would recommend. So I'm gonna be using my recent favorite Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer because I have a little bit breakout situations around this area. So I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and just kind of tap on the areas. I'm not gonna like smudge it out, so I want to give it a little bit more coverage onto that. Next, I'm gonna set my makeup using Makeup Forever. I'm just gonna kind of use this to set on the area where I put the concealer. I like to dabble a little bit on the small line here so that it doesn't create any crease line over there. I am going to add a little bit glow to my face, so I am going to my favorite Becca Shimmering Perfector. As you know, this is one of my absolute favorite glowy product. I'm gonna skip this area because I'm having a little bit breakout. I do not want to highlight. Moving on, we're gonna go straight to the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm not gonna contour a lot for my everyday makeup routine. I'm just gonna give a little bit of that color, kind of frame the structure of my face just a little bit. Since it's an everyday makeup routine, the quickest way is to use a big fluffy brush and then you just go over to your nose bridge, kinda contour your nose. If the face is more or less done, I'm gonna go ahead to prep my eyebrow using my Burt lip balm. Use my finger to kind of spread evenly. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Goofproof pencil to kind of brush my eyebrows. Once I kind of have the eyebrow line that I want, I'm just gonna go in with my Precisely eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna start drawing a few strokes at the front here. I am just gonna go in with my concealer, try to perfect my eyebrow. Alright, I think we're done with the eyebrows. I'm gonna go with my eyeshadows. So for my everyday makeup routine, I don't like to use a lot of products, so I'm gonna go back to my Fenty Beauty as the base of my eyelids. I'm gonna go to my Tarte palette, so I'm gonna be using this color and this. I'm just gonna mix a little bit of this too, and then I'm going to my crease line just to give it a little bit of the definitions. Okay, with that little bit of leftover, I'm just gonna drag all the way into my inner corner here, link my upper eyebrow with my upper nose area. Once I have like a little bit of that leftover, I'm just gonna put it out a little bit to kind of give that wing liner effect. Next, I'm going back to my Fenty Beauty and I'm going a little bit under my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go ahead to curl my lashes and put on my mascara. I'm just gonna go ahead with my blushes. So for the blushes, I want it to be more natural in my everyday makeup routine, so I don't usually like to use a powder blushes. I like to use lipstick as my cream blushes. And today I'm gonna be using this from the Estee Lauder. It has this really nice pink shades. I'm a blushes girl. It just kind of makes me look more alive with the blushes. And I'm gonna go with the second layer. Once you kind of like blend it out, it will look very natural on your skin. You can also use your fingers because fingers also help to like diffuse the product, especially when it comes to like cream products. With just a little bit of the leftover, I'm going to my forehead just to touch up a little bit of this area, because these are like mostly where the suns will hit you. So I'm just gonna kind of go over it. I'm gonna go back to my eyelash curler to curl my lashes one more time. For the sticking cord, I wouldn't put a lot of product, so I'm just gonna like remove the excess over here, and then I'm just gonna go to apply a second coat of the mascara. I'm gonna move on to put on a little bit of glow onto my face. As you all seen from my last video, you know that I recently just tried on this glowy cream product from Benefit and I absolutely love it so much. So I'm gonna add on just a little bit at the higher cheekbone, my nose area. So this is the one. Look at the glow, girls. This is so natural. I really like this product so much. So this is definitely gonna be my everyday makeup routine for 2020. So we're gonna move on to the last step, which is lipstick. So I'm gonna be using back to my Estee Lauder. Go with my finger, and then I'm just gonna go ahead to set my makeup using my Urban Decay setting spray. I'm just kind of tap on the setting spray onto my skin. This is the final look of my everyday makeup routine. It's so easy, simple and quick. If I'm not filming for this makeup tutorial, I would usually take about 8 to 10 minutes to complete this makeup. It's so simple. Basically, my focus on my everyday makeup routine is natural, glowy skin and the blushes. I love everything that can make my face glow. Just look fresh. It looks like I woke up like this. I like that kind of feeling. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. And please don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday. I hope to see you girls in my next video.